What's up guys, my name is Sam here at Ceramic Pro and we're at Porsche Club of America's Werks Reunion 2023. We're super excited to be here to show you guys what Elite Dealer is all about and how they can be your local professional to all the protective services for your Porsche. From paint protection film to ceramic coatings to window film, we're here to make sure that you love your car and that you're getting the best enjoyment out of it without sacrificing the beauty of the vehicle. I absolutely love this event. It's full of Porsche owners. It's here in Monterey Car Week. This is the place to be as a car enthusiast. We're super happy to be here and I'm looking forward to being here again next year. And if you're looking for any protective services for your vehicle like the Ultimate Armor Package, visit EliteDealer.com to find the closest installer near you.